With this question, we are told that y is directly proportional to the cube root of p. We're also given a matching value for y and p, so that when y is equal to 4/3, p will be equal to 8. And we're asked to find the formula connecting y and p. My first step will be to write the proportionality statement. So y is proportional, we use the alpha symbol here, to the cube root of p. In other words, what this means is y is equal to k multiplied by the cube root of p. And if this was a GCSE question, your first mark would be gained from writing that statement there with the equal sign and the constant k. Let's put in the values that they give us and solve it and find a value for k. So y is 4/3, k is the thing we're trying to find, and p is 8. Cube root of 8 is just 2. So I can tidy this up very quickly. Say 4/3 is equal to k multiplied by the cube root of 8, which is 2. Now I can divide both sides by 2 to isolate k. So I've got 4/3 multiplied by the 2. I've divided by the 2 in that way. This will simplify. I can divide top and bottom by 2, so that's going to give me 2/3. So k is equal to 2/3. I take this value for k, I put it back into this equation here. So y is equal to 2/3 multiplied by the cube root of p, and that is the formula connecting y and p. So just to recap, what you do is you write your proportionality statement and the equation with a constant. You then substitute in values that you are given, solving it for k, our constant, put that back into this equation, and that gives you the formula connecting the two variables that are proportional to each other.